let's do my makeup unboxing from TK Maxx. That's it. Bye. I know I look like that. Bye. By the way, I already have one of these, but it's Flavour Squeak.